everybody, welcome to Medling World. Jake and I here at Disney Springs. We're heading right around the corner here, guys, to Everglazed Donut to try the new chicken and donut. I can't wait to do this. Come on in, check it out. Here we are, guys. There's Everglazed Donut right in front of us. If you're looking for it, you got the AMC Theater here, Summer House, and then over here is Splitsville. So it's right in between. Orange Garage right there. So in case you're looking for it, it's kind of off the path a little bit. So you could, if you were just kind of walking by over there and you didn't look, you wouldn't see it. What do you think, Jake? Hey, this is a perfect size for you, man. Never mind the electric scooter. Let's hang out in this thing and take it around. Sell some donuts. That's pretty cool. But yes, here at Everglazed, someplace that you and I have been a few times, they have this new combination you can get. It's a
donut and chicken.
A donut with chicken. Let's head in together, guys. This is Medling World. We always like to enter in together. It's our second vlog today from Disney Springs. We also did the new sandwich at Amorette's. Oh, it's busy. It is busy. So let's head in and let's get it. Guys, this is what we're looking at. I'm just kind of put my finger around it. Over here, the chicken and donut combo or the chicken little combo. Let's see what we end up getting. What Jake and I decided to get was the chicken little combo because it actually comes with 2 of the jumbo tenders. You get fries also, and then you get a glazed donut, a mini glazed donut, I guess. And then there are some other options here. This is all new. I talked to the associate here, cast member, I guess we could say. We are on Disney property. So all of these things here, that sandwich looks interesting, doesn't it? The funky chicken sandwich. You got the egg and cheese, also the hot honey chicken combo and the big chicken combo. So all of that side, if you're on your phone, zoom in on that, you'll be able to read all the cool new things. We also got this, guys. This is the watermelon refresher. So try that out.
Order for Jen?
The only thing about this, I didn't notice.
That could be me.
Maybe my eyes were deceiving me. I didn't pay attention. $6.50. That's a little bit expensive, I think. As you can see, though, a lot of these drinks here, the blenders are $9. Wow. And then the iced coffee specials are $6.95. Classic cold brews, $6.50, and then they have different regular just cold brews and things anywhere between $4.50 up to $6. So lots of good drinks too. But one thing I've noticed when you're coming into these kind of theme parks and, you know, Disney Springs, Universal, City Walk, all that, it's expensive to eat. It just is. There's not really things where you look and go, oh, what a great deal that is. Mostly every time you look, wow, it's going to be expensive. But the Chicken Little, that doesn't seem too bad for $13, but we'll find out. Here it comes, guys, and they do cook it. They cook it to order, which is very nice. So it's all fresh. They make the chicken right then and there as you order it, so it's not sitting around. Jake's trying that watermelon refresher I was just talking about.
It's like a light watermelon and peach, just like a burst of flavor in your mouth.
Is it?
Yeah.
That sounds
nice.
interesting. Let me try that. A burst of flavor in your mouth. That always sounds like something I want to try. When I do this, it means it's good. Oh, it's good. Definitely good. It's got like a little lime or something in there. Mmm. Delicious, Jake. I like that. Jake picked that one out, which I'm glad. So with this one, you get the mini donut. If you get one piece, you get a big donut. But I thought this was a better deal because it's $4 more, but you get fries, you get the 2 chicken strips, and the mini donut. The other one's $9 with only 1 donut and a bigger, 1 chicken and a bigger donut. But I think this looks pretty decent. Jake picked out everything today. He picked out the sauce. We got the honey mustard. We got the donut. We got it all. It's all new. What do you think?
Anything.
What?
You can taste everything. You can taste the chicken, the honey mustard. And it has a nice crunch to it as well.
It's got a nice crunch on the...
8 out of 10.
8 out of 10? 8.5 out of 10 on the tender. Oh, it's fresh, I can tell you that. How is it, Jake? The donut.
Very fresh. It just tastes like your average glazed donut.
Average glazed donut. What I really like about it though is they put the donut in here with this hot chicken and the donut gets like warm. It's really cool. I gotta go ahead and get into this now, guys. Let's see what I think of it. I'm gonna try this with the donut and the chicken. I'm gonna dip it in. Oh, it is hot though, Jake. You're right. Hot. I suggest a fork. I didn't feel like going all the way back. Let's try that. Look at that. Jake, the chicken is so good, man.
I agree.
I just want to try a bite of the chicken. Hot. Sorry guys, it was like I had to get that down. It was hot on my fingers and everything. I had to get it straightened out, but this stuff is good. I don't want to forget about the dip. The honey mustard's excellent. The chicken is very moist and it does have a crunchy outside and it's hot. What I really appreciate, I think the most out of this whole meal, we're gonna try the fries in a minute, is it's made fresh. And you know, for Everglazed donuts to just say, oh yeah, we're gonna make it as you order it, I think is a bonus for this little meal. The donut's awesome. Let's try the fries though. I haven't tried the fry yet. And they did make the fries right then and there too. Fries are average at best for me. Fries aren't blowing away. The chicken, no, definitely. I'm gonna let Jake try some of the fries and we'll come back and we'll give our final scores on this, Jake. You can tell Jake is loving it. Okay, I found out how to make the fries better. Any ideas, guys? Any ideas of what I'm gonna do?
No.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Jake's like, no.
I can't even look.
Jake says he can't look. Ah. Oh, by the way, the combo, when I took the donut with the chicken and the honey mustard, because the honey mustard's sweet. It's got a sweet taste. And with the sweet donut and then the chicken, oh, it balanced out so nicely. So I do recommend doing that. So Jake, you ready for some final scores on this meal? What are you thinking? Go ahead. Let's see what you're saying. Oh, did you already do any scores yet? No, I don't think you did.
Overall, after
A little louder, Jake.
Overall, after everything, I would rate it an 8.5 out of 10.
8.5?
I think everything was fresh and nice, especially the drink. The drink's amazing.
The drink is really good. I love the drink. And
everything was just fresh. It tasted good. It was very nice. The only thing that I didn't really like was the fries.
yeah, I agree, Jake. I think I got to agree with Jake. The fries weren't great. As a matter of fact, Jake, you and I, we're McDonald's guys, right?
Yeah.
I would much prefer a McDonald's fries. What do you think? Yeah? McDonald's fries over that any day. But the chicken was definitely the hit for me. And that's basically what you're getting there and what you're paying for are those chicken strips. They're made fresh. The breading was awesome. The chicken was moist. The chicken itself at 9. But then overall, Jake, I agree. But I'll go a little bit lower just because the fries brought it down. I'll do an 8.2. But definitely worth trying if you're here. A good shareable. Very good shareable. Actually, we have a little bit left we'll take home. Jake said, Dad, I'll eat that when I get home. So I think it's great to share with 2 people. And then you get the sweet, and you get the protein and the salty. Not too bad. So Jake, good afternoon here. We did 2 vlogs today, guys. If you haven't seen the one with amarettes and the sandwich we had, check that one out. But we will be staying over at another theme park resort, we'll say. We're doing all of the Disney and Universal theme park resort hotels. We're halfway through all of them. We mix and match. We do some Disney, we do some Universal. So we have another one of those coming up on some real upcoming vlog. But you'll have to be subscribed and check it out. So we always do a little bit of surprise on those We just kind of do them, and then you get to see where we're at. So guys, please take a moment, subscribe to Medling World if you haven't yet. And last but not least, see ya!